Oh man. You already know what time it is. Dude, check this out. Open the box. This is what you get. If you haven't yet already, hit that like button. It really does make a difference. Make sure to subscribe and hit that alert bell if you want to see some cinematic results from the DJI Mavic Air 2, right, on the 12 Pro Max with the Polar Pro lenses. And by then I'm going to show you guys, hopefully I'll have the Polar Pro lenses on my phone as well, depending on when everything arrives here at the same time. And yeah, so, but anyways, just to go along with the unboxing, what else do we have? We've got this thing, right? I think this is the battery charger. You guys are opening this up with me, so cool, appreciate it. Kudos for sticking with me this long, and I appreciate it. Like I said, if you have anything for me, drop it in the comments. I greatly appreciate it. So obviously this is going to charge our batteries. All right, there's some silica do not eat gels in there. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Again, that's a really cool case to DJI. I appreciate it. Here's the rest of our goodies here. Let me move this out of the way real quick. I'm gonna protect it. The 12 Pro Max already has a really awesome display, so I didn't opt for the $300 controller. Like, dude, like this already killed me and set me back. This is not sponsored anyway, by any means, from anyone. Okay, look at my viewer count. You'll be like, ah, got it. Which, by the way, found out that like 98% of my views come from people that aren't subscribed. So hit that bell. All right. Go ahead, help a man out, dude. This is my full-time thing. I started this full-time before making money, before being monetized, whatever. Like, I'm literally just following a passion right now. I want to make content, dude. Like, I want to create. So sometimes you just got to say to hell with it and start creating. Like, I saved up a long time for this right here, okay? So it's a big deal. Power cord. We need that. This looks pretty self-explanatory, power cord, all right? Because obviously we gotta charge this beast. So obvious plug right there for that. Bam. This is self-explanatory, guys. This is like really, talk about making this literally the best drone for beginners, right? Teeth are at the top, receives it at the top. So yeah, let's go ahead and line that up properly. Just like that, it sticks. Like, it's self-explanatory, guys. You gotta love that. Like, DJI, you really have made this flawless for the first time drone owner, right? We got the battery. It's common sense at this point. Absolutely, dude. Like, I'm sure DJI might even comment on here. Probably not. But it'd be kind of cool if they did, right? Being like, yeah, cool. Glad it's your first one. Good luck. Don't crash it. I saw a video this morning of dude dropping his FPV in water. Yeah, that was about to be a really cool video too. Anyway, so Mavic Air 2, all like that. Got the batteries. Look, let's quit playing around, dude. Like, if I'm gonna start flying for the first time, look, pretty self-explanatory. Contacts. It's only gonna go on one way. Obviously, it's got to rest on the tray, right? So yeah, kind of lines up right there. Right, so like that. That's nice. That's convenient. Watch this be the wrong way, and like, I'm totally thrashing it right now. I don't think I am, but I just want to make sure that whenever I get this thing ready to go, like, I'll do a cut scene on this and probably fly it tomorrow, or later on this afternoon, which is fine. Just giving y'all a heads up. I'm not just jumping the gun and being like, let's go, I'm gonna go fly now. I'm like, look. Also in the comments, let me know some really cool drone photographers that might be in Florida. I'm down to network with you. Create some content together. The film square. All right, and it looks like I could, yeah, you know what I could do? I could read the instructions. What does it say right here? Please charge to activate the battery before using it for the first time and refer to the reference guide. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do that. Yeah. But either way, press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on the power. I like how they have that, the instructions. Like, bam, and then right up here. They had that on the OM4 also, which is pretty cool. So even if you're just like, I'm not going to read this, I just want to get out there and fly it, don't do that. Like, I mean, you do what you want, whatever. I'm telling you what I'm not going to do. I'm actually going to take the advice that's on this investment and read the advice that came with the investment, and then, like, real talk, I'm going to read this advice too. Fly more combo. Dude, like, this is part of what you pay for, right? So freaking use it. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna check it out. This is what you get whenever you open the box. That's it. No more, no less. Good times, right? As you can see, here's the joysticks that go on the controller. We're not at that level yet. Not at that stage. So it's got a USB-C. Yeah, that's convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and supply one of my own cables. But yeah, that was awesome. Yeah, gotta wait till I have the OtterBox off before you crash again. This is fun. Let's do that again. Oh, piece of foam. Did it work? Yeah, the piece of foam that I didn't throw away yet. That's awesome. It's only a matter before this phone falls again anyway. Legit, I'm really curious that, I'm kind of inquisitive actually. Like, why didn't they include a charging cable for it? Whatever. I have some, I have a bunch, I'm pretty sure we all do. So, but anyways, without further ado, I'm going to get into this quick start guide. I'm going to G myself up real quick on what's going on here and charge the controller, and I'm actually going to charge all 3 batteries. Like, dude, that's really annoying. Right, so that's a crazy sound. Anyone else cringe to hear like the 12 Pro Max just bam on a glass table like that? Like lens first, right? I'm using the front camera right now. That way I can actually see myself, make sure I'm in frame. Or little thirds, right? Let me get right in the corner. But anyways, talking head. But yeah, so I need to clean up around the house and whatnot. So I'm gonna let these charge. I'm gonna handle business. Peace.